Good morning, folks. It's a very old day to get into cooking with our very first New World and Old World people. On the right side, we have our Old World cooking contestant, and on the left side, we have our New World cooking contestant. So, Mrs. Judge, how do you think we're going to do it today?
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my cooking show. It's your boy Hunter Cortez here from the New World. I just can't wait to show them Old World people what I have in store for them. These New World dishes are going to be absolutely fantastic and just dazzle up their taste buds. Let's get straight into it.
That sounds just dandy. So, how do you feel about your chances against the New World cooking with your Old World supplies?
I feel super. I want to get some master cooking done, and I'm going to use my Old World cooking materials, and I want to beat those new cooks. Just because my food is old doesn't mean that it is bad.
This is going to be a very tricky and crazy competition. Can't wait to see what people from the Old World and the New World come up with.
One eternity later.
Let's see what we have here. Here we have some sliced turkey and corn on the cob with refreshing tea. Over here we have stuffed peppers and ciders. Can't wait to judge them.
This is a dish with tea, corn, and turkey. It is a resemblance of one of my old family recipes, but with the New World ingredients. I hope that they enjoy it.
Well, what's up, guys? It's your boy Hunter Cortez here, and I made this fantastic dish for y'all today. It's called stuffed vine leaves. And I've got some apple cider with it too, but y'all... Otherwise, it's stuffed peppers, basically. Stuffed peppers and a side dish of apple cider. I just have a feeling the judges will love this because it's been in my family for a generation and it's my personal favorite. That's exactly why I made it. But anyway, we've been here in America for a while now, and I feel like we have the advantage here, so can't wait to see who wins. My dish is called, I don't know what it's called. What?
Look at this.
What's up, guys? It's your... Ow, that hurt. Gosh.
Please, I beg of you.
Featuring celebrity Katie Dillon.
Featuring Get Out of Here. Never
Hey,
seen
guys, children.
Jessy,
this isn't due till Friday.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you're not already a hashtag Blame Nation subscriber, go down there and subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. Huge shout out to Jessy, Anna, and Jacob for doing this project with me. It was a little crazy because everyone was sick and absent and stuff, but we got it done. All the food examples came from the Columbian Exchange Food Guide. You can go pick one up today and do your own crazy project. Be looking out for Dude Perfect Jr. 3. It's on the rise. So, see you next time. Peace.